In today's episode, we're going to take this stock 2015 WRX sounding like this and make it sound like this. Got all the way spun up anyway.
The most common question that gets asked in the Subaru.
Come on, baby. Okay, let me try something. Oh.
Okay.
Okay. Hang on. Got it. Jesus. That was freaking loud.
Joking.
So there you go, in pieces, but that's it. That's what makes up your stock 2015 plus WRX exhaust. Catback. But interesting thing, they weld in a straight section where a resonator would otherwise be on the STI. They do that to make the WRX a little bit more aggressive. Yeah, you lose the rumble going with this WRX because it's equal length headers, because twin scroll. But yeah, that's it. Always wear gloves when you're working with new stainless steel exhaust, because all of that beautiful stainless steel, if you touch it with oils from your fingers, the oils will end up getting burned into the stainless steel, and at that point it's too late. So always make sure when you're handling something that's going to get really hot, that's also shiny, that looks awesome, that you care about, wear gloves so that you can maintain a nice, beautiful looking finish going forward. When you make a mess, you got stuff on your hands, like the anti-seize, for example. You probably don't want that to burn into the exhaust either. So when you get it on your hands, it'll end up getting onto the exhaust. I got a spot here, one here. Just get a little bit of rubbing alcohol, put it on the towel, just wipe it right off. Yep. Yep. I'm gonna need to make some adjustments probably in the middle, because I have that tight, so I'm probably gonna need to make some adjustments. It's not really lining up perfectly. I have sweat dripping from the inside of my glove. It just went into my eye. So you saw when I was fastening together the two parts of the mid-pipe. Well, looks like I'm gonna have to redo that because the whole thing is a little twisted. But that's okay. I mean, these things they're designed so that you can make small adjustments to the positioning, the orientation. So that's what I'm gonna do. Well, that's a wrap on this one. WRX sounds pretty good, doesn't it? If you want to hear what it sounds like before, there's all types of, Subaru WRX bro videos that you can find on YouTube. Just look for it there. This is the R400 by Invidia on the stock WRX. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hit that subscribe button. Make sure to like the video if you thought it was cool. Give me a thumbs up. It really helps support the channel. It allows me to, bring more of these DIY videos to you. Wait, where the hell did he go? He's out enjoying the new exhaust. So, there you go. And with that, we'll see you on the next one.